Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about a question on the Chatelier Principal. So let's get started. The formation of sulfur trioxide can be achieved by reacting sulfur dioxide with oxygen. This reaction is reversible and reaches equilibrium under specific condition. In a 2-liter vessel at 800 Kelvin, an initial mixture contains 0.5 mole of sulfur dioxide, 0.1 mole oxygen, and 0.4 mole of sulfur trioxide. Given an equilibrium constant of 4.5, determine whether the reaction will proceed towards the formation of more product or shift back towards the reactant. In order for you to answer this question, the first thing we need to do is we need to write the balance equation. So, in the question, it states here that sulfur trioxide can be achieved by reacting sulfur dioxide and oxygen. It means that you need sulfur dioxide to react with oxygen, then only it will form sulfur trioxide. So since it states that this is a reversible equation, so we put it like this. Alright, so now we need to balance out this equation. So basically we are going to use 2 sulfur dioxide to make 3 sulfur trioxide. Alright, so looking back at the question, you were given the initial content for the reaction, and the reaction is being carried out in a 2-liter vessel. So since that this is an initial content, so you should be able to calculate the QC instead of the KC. So QC is whatever in the product divided by whatever in the reactant, and that must be in concentration. So in other words, we can say that the concentration of SO3 to the power of 2 divided by the concentration of SO2 to the power of 2 times the concentration of O2. Right. So how are you going to find what is the concentration? Concentration is molarity. Molarity is mole over liter. So in the question here, it states that the sulfur trioxide contains sulfur dioxide, oxygen, and sulfur trioxide. So your sulfur trioxide is 0.4 mole. So since the volume is 2 liter, so 0.4 divided by 2 and followed by 0.5 divided by 2 and also 0.1 divided by 2. Right, so let's check again. So for SO3 we need to have to the power of 2, and for sulfur dioxide as well, so sulfur dioxide we need to have to the power of 2. So basically your QC is equivalent to 0.2 to the power of 2 divided by 0.25 to the power of 2 times 0.05. Therefore, your QC should be equivalent to 12.80. So the question asks whether it's going to move to produce more product or shift towards the reactant. Given to you the equilibrium constant, which is the Kc, is equivalent to 4.5, and your QC is 12.80. Therefore, from here, we can say that your QC is actually way bigger than your KC. So it means that this will shift to the reactant. So it will move to the left. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.